house and watch Elio's videos.
That was right. Once you on fire, ain't nothing that can put you out. Nothing. What the fuck was that for? Like I said, ain't nothing that can put you out.
Guess the E-Box dragster got a little too much torque.
I don't know where I'm going, but I know one thing though.
What?
I'm outside with it, you heard?
It's not even Halloween yet. Nobody is gonna believe me. He opened the door.
Yo, microwave man, I'm getting tired of you doing these stupid videos around here. Listen,
Whoa. You can talk, don't touch me.
Stop
Don't
doing videos.
What got that to do with this?
Until next time.